Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Cash App and signing in. Make sure you use the phone number or email tied to your account. You need your bank's routing and checking account numbers. Find them on a check or bank portal. Once done, verify your identity by entering your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number so Cash App can securely link accounts and comply with banking rules. Next, tap the Banking tab and choose Add Bank or Link Account. This starts the connection flow. You can either type your routing and checking account numbers manually or select the instant verification option that asks for your bank login credentials. The latter is faster because it authenticates directly. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts, allow permissions if required, and authorize the link. Cash App will confirm the account name and last 4 digits so you know the correct account is connected. Finally, confirm the link. If Cash App used instant verification, you'll see success immediately. If it used microdeposits, watch your bank for 2 small amounts and enter them exactly in Cash App within 3 days. Make sure the account name matches yours. If it doesn't, unlink and repeat the steps carefully. If linking fails, double-check routing/account numbers, ensure your bank accepts ACH links, and contact Cash App support or your bank if deposits don't appear or credentials are rejected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.